Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss a very important remedy which is used or which I have used very frequently in my day-to-day practice, especially in cases of male genital organs, that is symptom related to seminal discharge, to impotencies, prostaturia, these complaints. And I would like to share my experience, what symptoms I had in this remedy to prescribe in lot many of patients. Though you must have read this remedy very frequently also in your practice, but I will give you symptoms with which I have prescribed and I have got fantastic results. The remedy which I am talking about is selenium, a very well-known remedy for male sexual organs. Always remember, when the patient of selenium comes to you, definitely few symptoms are very important that we all know, but few symptoms which I heard in my practice and I have used those symptom prescriptions are really very important to prescribe selenium. So selenium patient basically has increased sexual desire but ability decreased. This symptom you must understand. The patient will come and say, डॉक्टर साहब इच्छा बहुत होती है फिजिकल कांटेक्ट करने की, बट ताकत नहीं है. This is the wordings of the patient that will come and tell you, that is sexual desire is increased but ability decreased. In our Mathematica, beautiful line is written, sexual desire increased with poor result. He may have lot of desires, a lot of will to do the act, but has no ability. Then you must think about selenium. Very important symptom about this semen. The semen is very thin, पतला रहता है बोलेंगे अपन, बहुत पतला निकलता है बोले, और बास नहीं आती. Normally you have an odor of a semen, a normal physiological odor, but in selenium the odor of semen is absolutely odorless and thin. A normal symptom of selenium. But also one symptom is that semen sometimes dribbling unnoticed. मतलब पेशेंट बात कर रहा है, कोई ऐसा सीन देख लिया, सीमन अपने आप बहना शुरू हो गया. दैट इज सीमन ड्रिबलिंग अननोटिस्ड एंड सीमन ड्रिबलिंग ड्यूरिंग स्लीप. These symptoms I have noticed in lot many of patients, that semen dribbling during sleep. So these are very common symptoms that the patient will come and tell you, that is sexual desire increased but decreased ability. Second, semen is thin and odorless. Third, semen dribbling during sleep, and semen dribbling unnoticed. But a selenium patient will have few more symptoms that you should remember. That is, the first symptom is stitching pain in the right testes. If the patient comes and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब right testis में ऐसी stitching समान दर्द होता है, then you must always think of selenium. Lot many of patients I have seen this symptom, stitching pain in the right testes and perspiration, बहुत पसीना आता है on the pubis. That's a very important symptom. The patient will come and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब मेरे यहाँ रीजन, प्यूबिक रीजन पे पूरा गीला हो जाता हो, बाकी का पसीना कहीं नहीं आता, वहीं मुझे पसीना आता है. That is, this is a selenium patient. Perspiration on the pubic area, that is selenium. One more symptom of selenium which I have seen, that patient came to me and said, डॉक्टर साहब ऐसी गुदगुदी समान लगती है स्क्रोटम में, गुदगुदी होना. Now if you convert this symptom into repertoire language, this is symptom called as tingling in the scrotum. So tingling in the scrotum and stitches in the right testes is also a very important symptom of selenium. And my dear friends, a selenium patient will never eat breakfast. This you must always see in these patients. If you are not treating a case of male sexual organs and there are other symptoms like migraine or falling of hair also, this symptom you should confirm. It is said that a selenium patient has aversion to food, especially breakfast. Aversion to breakfast is a very important symptom of selenium. Breakfast aversion to. And my dear friends, one symptom which becomes very important in our day-to-day practice, especially in India, that is aversion to tea. Selenium patient को चाय पसंद नहीं है. A very important symptom is given in a Mater Medica, given in an epitry. It says food aversion to breakfast and aversion to tea. But a selenium patient always desires wine. So these symptoms, common symptoms and rare symptoms related to male sexual organs, related to the personality, becomes a whole important prescribing features for selenium, not only in male sexual organs but in other diseases also. So in order to sum up, you must remember semen thin, odorless, dribbling of semen during sleep, dribbling of semen which goes unnoticed, increased sexual desire with poor result, or increased sexual desire with poor ability. He has no ability or ability is decreased, and tingling in the scrotum. Always ask this patient, or stitches in the right scrotum. Some general symptoms which are very important is aversion to breakfast, aversion to tea, but the patient has desires for wine. Wine desires is a very important symptom of selenium. So my dear friends, in a nutshell, male sexual organ symptoms of selenium, very important, plus the general symptom which I have told you also becomes an important prescribing symptom for selenium. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.